We've grown this business from a very regional, small, domestic company into a global enterprise. And we did that with an amazing team of people. We're so blessed to have the wonderful team and family members that we have working with us.
When you work for Bundy, you're kind of here for life. It's like family. You never really get out.
Whether they wanted to or not, I've been raised here at American Pan, and it's been a fantastic experience.
I mean, together we make a great team. It's just a fun place to work.
It's a family atmosphere, and everybody is left to do their job the way they need to do it.
The Bundy families are always looking to promote and let people do what they're best at.
The support and the confidence that the company and the family has showed in me personally has been humbling and rewarding. We're all here to provide products to the baking industry, but we do it with a passion.
I think we got first from Russ and now carried on with Gil. The excitement for the business, the reinvestment is absolutely key.
And the value of the baking industry that is just woven into the tapestry of this company is so authentic. I'm a baking person at heart, and I'm proud to be here.
We're solving problems for the industry. We're the leader in the industry in many ways, so it's very important.
In the last 15 years, we've seen the company change dramatically for the better.
It's all about solving customers' problems. Going to a customer, seeing that they've got some issues, or they've got issues with our competitors' equipment, nothing better than being able to deliver a piece of equipment that they come back to you and they say, yeah, that's great, that's fantastic, that's exactly what we want.
The really nice thing about Bundy Baking Solutions is the focus on customer and doing things the right way. We build things to last. We're building it to satisfy customer needs long into the future.
We're supplying a staple to the world, and we have an awesome responsibility. This company is stable, and we're providing pans, coatings, and servicing bakeries that are really feeding this country.
It's been very exciting to be a part of the organization as it's taken this new step in a new chapter in our development. I like to think that we're helping feed the world.